Hi there! Do you want to do ministry work but don't know how to earn money doing that? In this video, we're going to share with you a wonderful business that can help you work online and earn money. This is Sarah. I'm Colin. Ordinary people just like you, and we're out here enjoying the wonderful weather that the Lord has made.
Yeah, we are so grateful because of the sunshine. There's so many blessings that the Lord has blessed us with. Looking at this, our backyard, looking at the beauty that God has created, and also the opportunities that He always gives unto us. Not too long ago, we were listening to gospel music on social media, and we came across an ad from a couple that is running a successful online business. We were intrigued by their story, and their story related to us on how they have been able to pay off their consumer debt, support ministry work, support their family and relatives, and even travel the world. With no hesitation, we clicked the Learn More button. We signed up to the workshop, the same workshop that we are inviting you to attend, and the rest is history.
Yes. Now, this is not any normal business. It's a business where we encourage and help each other, and we build each other up. Now, if you're someone who's coachable and you need change, click the link below, sarahkarayuki.net.
Click the link, sign up with your name and email address. We are going to send that information to you. If you're someone who is coachable, who is willing to grow, who is willing to see a change in your life, maybe you're looking for a side hustle, you're looking to supplement your income, you're looking to do something on the side which will be temporary and then later it can become permanent, that you can do it full time. Click the link below. Sign up with your email address. We are going to send you all this information. Come see people like you and I, people all over the world who are doing this business. You can do this business from the comfort of your home. You can do this business during your free time. You can do this business even in the evening when you're preparing dinner for your family. So put your name and email address, and we are going to send you that information. Click the link.
See you on the inside.
See you on the inside. Bye.